All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I teamed up with Zetaza again, and they sent over their screen protectors for the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. So I'm going to go ahead and put them on. I'll start with the Pixel 6 Pro here. This is the one for the Pro. Yep, so we'll get that done here. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed, and we'll go ahead and put this on. My challenges are with the Pixel 6, not the Pixel 6 Pro. But they did send them both over, and that's a positive thing because I get to really test it out. So let's see if these are going to be any different. I can already tell. I like that they have a tray on here. Basically, it's three of these. So you get a 3-pack here. All right, so this should be really easy. And these are also not glass. You got a protector for the rear cameras. You got that too. You got the little thing here to help guide it on. So we got a packet here with a nice squeegee, and we got a dust removal, and then we have the wet wipes. So you get all of this in the box here for your Pixel 6 Pro. Now the Pixel 6 Pro has a white stone dome on here, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. It's been pretty good, no problem. I've never had a problem with the Pixel 6 Pro's fingerprint reader, but let's go ahead and put on this screen protector here, which is in fact just a clear plastic screen protector. So this goes in this little area here, and it goes in nice and snug. Let's get the screen protector out. And this is how it goes right here. This is one of those ones where it's super easy to put on. Boom, you just push it, and it's just easiest 1, 2, 3. They even have it labeled on there. So let's get a wet wipe going here. And we'll get this bad boy cleaned up. Even though I just took that off, whatever, that's fine. I don't mind doing it all over again. Making sure it's clean. We got to make sure it is set. And we want to dry it off. Now they have this little screen protector, this wet wipe or microfiber cloth. Obviously this isn't a high quality microfiber cloth, but these packets are sold and shipped with so many other applications like this. It's just a standard practice, I believe. So, but I have the big dog here, a real true microfiber cloth, and now I'm going to hit it with the dust removal tool, the sticker I should say. Let's go. You want to make sure that you get every bit of dust that you can possibly get off of here, because this is a one-time deal. But this packet here gives you 3 screen protectors, so that's cool. So now we're going to go ahead and put this portion on right here, and it just kind of lines up right here along the bottom of the phone, and it lines itself up, so there's nothing you have to do, right? So you push this way first. This is the split line, it tells you right there. You want to go ahead and lift up and then push, and it tells you the second one is this way. So we'll go ahead and push it back that way. So you'll have to release this portion here, and then we'll go ahead and lift it up, and it goes off just like that. I like these kind of screen protectors because they are very simple to put on, and I think that's just one of the best things ever. And you can see when I still have it on like this, you can see it's actually going down on the sides, but we want to go ahead and take this off. So I always like to try to get it as clean a swipe on there as possible. This is a really good screen protector, squeegee right here too. And it'll be the same process for the Pixel 6, and we'll show you that one here too. Wow, this is really nice. It really goes on easy, man. This is the type of screen protector that I probably should have used. And I know there are some certified screen protectors by Google or whatever they were saying to use, but having options is a thing. You want to have as many options as you can. So let's go ahead and move this application adapter there. Get it kind of shined up. Now I'm going to power it on. And while that's booting up, here's my Pixel 6. Now it too has a white stone dome glass on it, and we'll go ahead and open the box for the Pixel 6. It's going to be the same thing in there. go. We get 3 of them. And I'll just go ahead and use the same applications because they're the same thing inside of each one. Let's go ahead and peel off this protector. I was using my Pixel 6 earlier. Again, this is a white salt. Now, this is the one that I'm having a lot of trouble with the fingerprint reader. It only works without a screen protector. And I hate that it's like that because I like to have a screen protector on. All right. So there you go. Now I'm going to go ahead and power off. And then while that's powering off, let's go ahead and check the Pixel 6 Pro. It's going to boot up here. Screen protector is nice and clear. Touch sensitivity is there. And I'm not going to set up a fingerprint reader again. I'm just going to check it real quick. My right thumb, I don't know what it's about. My right thumb on the phone sometimes just don't work. But this fingerprint reader does not need to be set back up. That's actually the first time I've had any issues with my left fingerprint reader on my Pixel 6 Pro. But it looks like it's good. But again, I've never had problems with this one anyway. So let's do the Pixel 6. Let's do the Pixel 6. I'm going to use the adapter here. Get it in there. Let's get it all wiped down. And I think it's going to be okay. I don't need to really do any kind of wet wipe. This microfiber cloth is great, man. I'm just going to use the dust removal tool and get right in. Yeah, I worry about this one because the fingerprint reader on this one has always been bad. It's never been good at all. So let's go ahead and get this one put on. Again, these applications are super, super easy when you have a guide, man. It's just so much better. And the fact that this one has a flat screen is even better. So it goes along the guide like that. And the split is right there. You want to go ahead and push. And then lift up the guide. Get the rest. Boom. Quick, just like that, folks. Just like that. And then with this one, it's going to go ahead and peel a little bit. Make sure it doesn't come up on me. If it raises up a little bit, don't sweat it too much. The bubbles disappear. They always disappear over time. I've learned with screen protectors, even wet ones go away fairly quickly. So let's power this back up. Pretty straightforward, huh? Really straightforward and to the point. And while that's powering up, we can get cleaned up and get them going. So now let's get this one on here. All right, phone's starting up. Really nice. Really nice. Screen protector, touch sensitivity, once again, is really fast. No latency or anything on there. And then as far as checking the case friendliness, let's put this one back in the case. Let's see how case friendly it is. Yep, nothing. No lifts, nothing. Good to go. And obviously this one has a flat screen, so it should be okay. Yeah, that worked on the first try. That has never happened. Definitely the screen protector. And I'm not even setting up the fingerprint readers again. This is definitely what it is because this is like not even having a screen protector on here. So that's pretty good, man. Shout out to Zetaza. Shout out to them for providing the screen protectors. I'll leave links down below. I appreciate you guys stopping by. And this one is a wrap.